Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Halonix bulb matches your fixture voltage and is non-dimmable. This prevents flicker or damage. Once confirmed, cut power, remove the old lamp, and screw the motion bulb in firmly to the socket. Turn the circuit back on and give the unit 30 to 60 seconds to initialize. This lets the internal sensor calibrate to ambient light. Now, perform a close-range motion check so you know the sensor is waking up and responding. With the bulb powered, position the fixture so the sensor faces where people will pass. Angle matters because the PIR senses lateral movement better than direct approach. Make adjustments to sensitivity and timeout, either on the bulb's small dial or in the companion app, so false triggers are minimized and the light remains on long enough for practical use. Test multiple times at varied distances and ambient light. This confirms the field of view and reduces surprises when it's dark versus daytime. Finish by securing the fixture and confirming the installation height fits the bulb's detection range, usually in the 2.2 to 3.5 meter band, so coverage is consistent. Make a final sweep, check connections, run several motion tests, and adjust timeout or sensitivity for real use. If the sensor misbehaves, power cycle the bulb to reset settings. If that fails, check for nearby heat sources, shielding, or reflective surfaces that confuse the sensor. Resolve those and retest to restore reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.